This 2025 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22BHE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Huntley, Illinois, 60142 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, Murphy bed. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.